when it says that it can hold whole fruit in here, it's not kidding. It has a whole pineapple in there. So I was gifted this AMZCHEF 5.3 masticating juicer. Now, this juicer is actually built pretty well, and I like the fact that you can actually clean it very easily. The part that actually shreds everything up in here, you can get to very easily, so cleaning this is super simple. And the bottom piece also is very easy to clean. And the whole unit is built very well. Like, this plastic is very thick. So I'm definitely happy with the quality of it. Now, as you can see, you do have two different spouts here. This side is going to release the pulps and skins, the fibers of the fruit. This side has an anti-spill feature, which is this tab right here. So that way your juice isn't just flying out and making a mess. You can actually just control how much you want to come out. Now, the bottom base of the unit is very heavy duty as well. And you do have a very simple knob to be able to control the unit, so nothing to confuse you. So all in all, if you're looking for a juicer that is super simple to use and built of good quality, this might be the juicer for you, because it surely made me some very good juice.